Hi, this is Audrey with the recipe website 2pinkpeonies.com. Today I wanted to share a Copycat Texas Roadhouse recipe that a lot of people in my Copycat Facebook group have been asking for. Today I wanted to show you how to make Texas Roadhouse honey mustard salad dressing. All right, so let's get started. So the first ingredient you're going to need is mayonnaise. I recommend using Duke's mayonnaise or Hellman's mayonnaise. Use the highest quality full fat mayonnaise you can find at your grocery store. All right, and that was half a cup of mayonnaise. And then next, I have 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I have 3 tablespoons of honey. It can be kind of hard to get all the honey out, it's so sticky. But I want to make sure I get it all out so it's got that strong honey taste. All right, so I got most all of it out. And then here's one of the unusual ingredients. I have half a teaspoon of powdered sugar. Now, when I went to the restaurant, the honey mustard was really sweet, and that's why we're adding this. And then next, I have just a pinch of paprika. I use smoked paprika, but regular paprika works too. Then I'm just gonna whisk it all up, and you can use this as a salad dressing. You can use this for your chicken tenders. Unlike some of the other ranch recipes I make, or when I made Copycat cane sauce, this automatically just tastes like Texas Roadhouse honey mustard. There's no need to chill it. As soon as you try it, it's good to go. And that's it. This is what it looks like. Easy. You can make it in about 2 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.